Welcome into my kitchen, you guys. I'm going to be making chicken parmigiana with spaghetti, along with some garlic bread. Let's get started. These are the ingredients. We're going to go ahead and wash that breast off and bring it back because we're going to add the seasonings to it. We're going to slice them in half and we're going to marinate them overnight with the seasonings. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and get this all sliced up. And all these ingredients you see here, we're going to be adding to our fillets. Oh, yeah. We're going to start with the paprika for color. And we're going to be adding parsley flakes. We're going to be adding garlic, which contains parsley flake, our black pepper, and our Worcestershire sauce. And again, you want to season as per your taste buds when you're dealing with any seasonings. And now that we have everything in with the chicken, we're going to go ahead and mix it all in. And this is how you want that seasoning to look on that meat. And so now we're going to get some saran wrap and we're going to seal the glass bowl. We're going to refrigerate and keep it in the refrigerator to overnight. Now it's the next day, and these are going to be the finishing touches to our chicken parmesan dish. Okay, so we have our 9x12 casserole dish. We have our Parmesan shredded cheese and our mozzarella shredded cheese. And we're going to open up the cans of stewed tomatoes. And these tomatoes are crushed. It contains basil and some Italian seasonings. Okay, so now we're going to get our chicken breast, and we're going to go ahead and layer it in our casserole dish. All right, so now we have 2 cans of the stewed tomatoes. We're going to add 1.5 can, and then the other half you'll see later what we'll do with the other half. But you're going to add 1.5 can of the tomatoes. Those tomatoes cans are, I think, 16 ounces each. And no need to add any water because our tomatoes have water already in them. We're just going to smear the tomatoes over the entire chicken so that you don't see any chicken. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle basil. And again, everything is as per your taste. So basil is going to be the first thing we're going to add on here. And we're going to add our Parmesan cheese. And now we're going to be adding our garlic powder. And in addition to that, we're going to be adding chicken soup base. Chicken soup base. And we can't forget the garlic. Oh yeah, we're going to add garlic powder, minced garlic. And we're going to sprinkle some of the parsley flakes on top. And then we'll get into the fun part, y'all. We'll be adding the cheeses. So we're going to add a cup of the shredded Parmesan cheese. The bag I currently hold in my hand is 1.5 pounds. So we're going to add a pound of the Parmesan cheese. And after we add that pound of Parmesan cheese, we're going to add 4 cups of the shredded mozzarella cheese. 4 cups of the shredded mozzarella cheese. And just make sure as you're spreading the cheeses that you're getting everything covered. Everything covered when you're adding the cheeses. Now you can add black pepper or not, but I'm going to sprinkle black pepper on top of my cheeses. And then I'm going to get extra virgin olive oil and drizzle about 2 tablespoons on top of the cheeses. Okay, so we're done, you guys. We're going to take aluminum foil, shiny side down, and we are going to wrap this up before we put it in the oven. And your oven preheated at 400 degrees. We're going to be putting this in the oven, and we're going to bake it for an hour and a half. An hour and a half at 400 degrees. And the last 15 minutes of the baking process, you're going to take the aluminum foil lid off. Take the aluminum foil lid off and let it finish up uncovered in the oven. All right, so it's been an hour and 15 minutes. Now we're going to take the cover off and look at this, you guys. Look at that color on that chicken Parmesan. Oh, yeah. And the noodle just prepare as per package. Let's get this plated up. And don't forget, you guys, we're going to mukbang this at PromoSTK, Eating Good in the Neighborhood. And we want you guys to come on over there and sit down and be part of our Oh Yeah Baby family and watch us eat this goodness. And because we bake the chicken breast, it's a healthy dish. Oh yeah. No sugars added in here. It's a healthy dish and we want to enjoy it with you. So come on over and become one of our Oh Yeah Babies. And if you're looking at this video and if you are decided and you have not joined and became family with us here on my cooking channel, go ahead and do it today and share this awesome recipe. Go look back at our other recipes and share those as well. Just come on to the table. And the other half of the can of the stewed tomatoes, we have cooked and heated that up, and we're going to drizzle it on top of those noodles. Once we get all this good old sauce that's in this casserole dish in our plates, we're going to take those tomatoes and we're going to surround it around that dish. Oh yeah.